Attorney, ano po ba ang process sa pag-post ng bail sa case ko? Para hindi ako maharang sa immigration. Nasa abroad po ako at para wala na pong hassle sa pag-uwi ko. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is you hire a lawyer in the Philippines. Yung abogado mo na ang magve-verify ng kaso mo sa korte dito sa Pilipinas. Kung may warrant of arrest ka na ba, kung bailable or non-bailable ba yung offense, at kung magkano ang piyansa or ang bail na ipinataw sa'yo. So since you cannot personally process your bail, you need to execute a special power of attorney or SPA in favor sa lawyer mo, authorizing him to process your bail dito sa Pilipinas. Now, since yung SPA mo ay executed dyan abroad, you need to have that SPA authenticated. Paano? Depende kung ang bansa na nasaan ka ay signatory ba sa Hague Apostille Convention. Kung signatory sa Hague Apostille Convention, mas madali ang proseso kasi ipapa-apostle mo lang yung SPA. Pero kung hindi naman, then you need to have it consularized before the embassy or the consulate dyan sa bansa kung nasaan ka. So aside sa SPA, kailangan rin ng 2x2 picture mo showing your front, your left, and your right view. Okay, 4 sets of 2x2 pictures with white background. Then aside from that, your handprints, your left and right handprints, authenticated alongside your SPA. Hindi lang yan, you also need to submit your waiver of appearance. And sometimes the court also requires you to submit your foreign status or proof of foreign status to justify why you are outside the jurisdiction. So once you gather all these documents and once you have them apostilled or consularized as the case may be, ipadala mo na ito dito sa abogado mo at yung abogado mo na ang magsasubmit nito sa korte. At of course, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat mabayaran mo yung bail bond or makapagpiyansa ka. So once na submit na ang lahat ng dokumento at nakapagbayad ka na ng piyansa mo, the judge will review your application and once approved or granted, the judge will issue your order of release or your release order. Okay, so I hope that's clear. And that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.